The hoes go berserk.
She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and then get to sliding down. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from my life and I'm recording this shit. I'ma just give it to you, the rest instead of me throwing this shit. You know you important this shit, you know I'm supporting this shit. We used to do pornos when you would come over, but now you got morals and shit. I got like 4 on the wrist, and an adorable kid. I got a Drake in the studio, and I don't just mean that I'm in this bitch. Please make the most of this shit, don't just come close to some shit. I give you this bread, you rub me some head, and then you go blow up a bit. She moved out of state, shit that went left, she seeking forgiveness. She used to dance, but she went alone, started a business. Her daddy is not around, her mama is not around. I watch her climb to the top of the pole and niggas. I make it rain in this bitch, I make it snow in this bitch. She tryna get out of the mix, shawty is going legit. Shawty is going legit, me I'm supporting this shit. This is a story, came from
I am honestly so upset right now, but this is when the best videos are produced, when you don't even want to record. So basically, I'm supposed to be going to a dinner. Like, it's not no fancy nothing, for real. I haven't went to eat in like dumb long. So I'm like, okay, like I'm feeling cute. So I text my mom, like, hey, I'm not texting, I called her. I'm like, Mom, like, when is this dinner? She's like, 8:30. I'm like, okay, cool. I'm on my phone watching TikTok and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start getting ready at 6, because when I was watching my TikToks when I called her, it was like 5:45, 50. So I'm like, okay, like I got enough time. I got like an hour, like 6 to 7. Hopefully I'll be ready like by 7. My dad gets home. My dad like, you going to the dinner with us? I'm like, yeah. It's at 8:30. Like, it's 6 right now. What am I rushing for? Like, oh, it's all the way downtown. We gotta leave at 6:45. 6:45, like that's less than an hour to get ready, and I plan to do my makeup. So my thing is, how am I supposed to look good tonight? So I'm over here rushing, and I'm mad because I had videos that I wanted to make. Like, I was trying to put together a decent outfit, do a little outfit video. Okay, so I took my braids out. Now I kind of gotta like, it's gonna be out curly. I'm getting my hair braided tomorrow. So you guys will not see my natural hair again for the next 2-3 months. Because one thing about me is I do not deal with my natural hair. Like, I love my natural hair to death. But it's a lot to deal with. And I'd rather it just stay like protected and grow. I got these little heart earrings. Okay, I like when they do that. My camera is so messed up, but I got these little heart earrings. Don't buy me earrings, like, ever, unless they're fake, because I will lose it. Like, every single time I have an earring, I'm gonna lose it. You could tell me the earring was $10,000 and I'm still not gonna put a lot of care into keeping it. I probably just won't even put them on because I know I'm gonna lose it. Y'all, I had to switch the angle because I'm also filming a TikTok. Like, this is stressful. Like, I'm rushing and trying to do multiple things at multiple times, and I'm over it. So first I'm going in with my LA Girl primer spray. Don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. Like, I could smell it, I could taste it, I could everything. It wouldn't recommend. I really wanted the elf y'all know the elf primer. I wanted that, but of course the beauty supply store didn't have it, so I had to get that little LA thing. But I mean, it's cool, it's fine. Just like spray it far away. Don't do what I just did. Now I'm applying my NARS foundation. I am a medium deep 5. That's just my thing. So yeah, I really do like NARS. I feel like, even though, like, you know, I'm still learning about my makeup a lot. I mean, I said a lot. A little goes a long way. So I just spread it. See, I know some girls, they don't like put foundation, or they like, yeah, some don't put foundation. They really be doing concealer. I need foundation because my skin is not clear. My skin is not like even, and I don't like how it looks. And I know some girls also don't put foundation like on their foreheads. I really don't like that look. It's not for me. So yeah, I'm gonna put that foundation on that forehead because I want my entire face to look alike. And I've been learning, oh, I look so crazy right now. And I've been learning more about brushes. This brush is a flat kabuki. Yeah, there we go. It's a flat kabuki brush. I do recommend this for your foundation too. I used to use this brush for my foundation just because I know what I was doing. But no, I like this better because you can just pat it everywhere. You can really spread the foundation. I used to like go like this for my foundation. Now I'm using this Ruby Kisses foundation brush, but I think I seen a video that said like these type of brushes are good for concealer. The concealer that I'm using, oh my gosh, I need to wipe this off. Like, I don't want my makeup to get messy. Hold on. I'm trying to be like less messy with everything, but it's still gonna get messy because every time I do my makeup, I'm being rushed. So, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. My thing is pure beige. That's my color that I got. So I seen them go like this. They go like, oh, that looks bad. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Like, why is it all the way up there? Help. I'm actually going out. Like, I'm not just doing this for like fun and games. Like, I'm going out. So this needs to come out correct. Okay, I know the sponge takes off a lot of excess product. I'm trying to save it with a sponge. This is what happens when you like freestyle, because I mean I have videos that I was looking at, but I wasn't about to like pull that up right now. Do I look crazy? Just tell me through the camera. Just tell me. I'm not gonna hear you anyways. Okay, I think we're like, ooh. I sound like Wendy. Like, I think next time I do my makeup, I wouldn't contour my chin. Kind of don't like that look, but I do like the under eye and I like the forehead. I'm probably gonna go back in with my foundation and put a little bit of foundation on my chin to like cover that up. This much. That's it. What did I tell y'all? A little goes where? A long way. Once I get it together, like, and I really know how I like my makeup, I'll definitely do like a video on it, because I want to do like a video. You know how the girls be doing like, oh, my everyday makeup routine. I'm using my Tarte liquid blush, but this says cheek plump, but it's liquid blush, child. Okay, and then I'm using this brush. I'm not trying to say the name wrong, but it's like an angled brush. So we're gonna just like go like that. Oh my gosh, I don't like how this is looking. Oh my gosh. Like, you know how they do like that thing where they like it be going up, but it be on the cheeks, but it be going up? That's what I'm trying to do. I definitely say cream blush over powder brush. Powder brush gives me like straight dust vibes, straight like ready to go casket vibes. I had to leave y'all for a second, but this how it came out. Wait, let me turn this ring light off so y'all can see just this one. I like it. It's giving very much so like 22. Like, let's go out, let's get margaritas. It's cute though. I like it. So like, I feel like next time when I'm not rushed, it's going to look way better. But look at the aftermath though. Like, being a girl is so hard. Last but not least though, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. setting spray. Oh, I need to take these off. And that should be good. That under eye is giving though, right? Yes. And my little eyebrow pencil to make them a little darker, y'all. I'm forgetting everything. Just a little darker. Like that. This is what is giving at the end. I gotta fix my hair a little bit, but I think it's cute for the most part. I just blew out my hair, y'all. It's nice, thick, and healthy. I'm getting a little knotless bob. And the fact that I'm trying to get a bob, and y'all already see how long my hair is, when I take my actual braids out, it's gonna give no cutting because I'm gonna be cutting my real hair. But y'all, I really wanted like a short look, and I could have definitely did like braids just with my regular hair, but I like adding the extension because I don't know, I feel like it gives it some oomph. Like, my hair is not thin or nothing like that, like clearly it's very thick, but I feel like braids, like knotless braids, just regular box braids on my natural hair versus with the extension is completely different. I'm probably gonna get my ends cut. Like, my ends are not bad, but I like to like keep my ends cut, you know, because how's your hair finna grow if you're not cutting off the dead? Well, your hair's still gonna grow. I just like to make sure I'm cutting off my dead hair. So next time I take my hair out, I'll cut my ends. This is what the hair is giving. This is what the feeling myself. Hair will be in for the next 2 to 3 months. The next 2 to 3 months. So the next however many videos y'all gonna see this. It's cute. Like, I was telling my best friend, like, you gotta break into a hairstyle because at first it's cute, but it's not cute. Like, right now it's giving, but it's not giving. Like, I have to like kind of get used to the new look, let it like loosen up a little bit. But do y'all see these clean parts? Oh my gosh, yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, boo. Yeah.